This is the A.N. Martin Systems dump chute actuator. This is a half horsepower, 1145 RPM motor. Should be able to see the numbers there. This is the wiring for that motor. Right here you have a 125-to-1 gearbox. You have the brake right here, 230 or 115 volt brake. Here you have your two limit switches. You have your limit switch A and limit switch B. For adjusting these limit switches, if you look here, this switch is angled this way a little bit. That switch is angled down some when it's not pushed on. So you want the limit switch so that when you push on it, it goes underneath the edge of here. This needs to be moved over close enough to here so it goes under the edge of this drum. The beam clamp is what trips that switch. It needs to be close enough so that when the beam clamp comes against this switch, that this drum can move 1 inch without going past the switch. If this switch is set too far away, then your beam clamp will trip it and go past and continue to go, and that will cause damage. So you need to have this adjusted out far enough so that if you notice, if you look straight, that wheel sticks in past the edge of that drum. Up here, this one here is out against. It's not quite as far as I would like to see, but I adjusted the arm back at an angle some. That way when the thing comes down, it only goes to like here before it stops. Right there your wiring is on your limit switch. Top switch is A, that's your open limit. Your bottom switch is B, that's your closed limit. Very simple setup. It can be connected to any brand of TopDry controls. They're wired for, the adapter box has wiring for GSI or more automation. This particular dryer is being run by Multica controls, but this actuator can be connected to any brand. Normally what we would do is drill a hole in this drum right back here on the edge, put about 2 wraps of cable on the drum with the chutes down the whole way. You want about at least 1 wrap of cable on the drum when the chutes are down. You drill a hole right in the edge, put a cable clamp on the cable in here, about a 3/8 hole, cable clamp on the cable in here, a wrap of cable before you pull the chutes out.